everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide... Sorry. Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today I'm back with another monthly mini build from Lego. This one is from March. Was it March? Yeah, it was March. March 2018. It's number 40278. And it's a sheep, because it was springtime in March 2018, although it was rather snowy at that time, so kind of unfortunate, but I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, a 6x6 standard base plate at the beginning, and let me see, we need a kind of pondweed piece. What do they call them? What do they call them nowadays? I don't know. It should be around here, I think, something like that. Oh, never mind which way you're looking. Anyway, two of these cone kind of pieces, cones. Well, not necessarily ice cream cones, but they're cones all the same. And a round base plate like this. We're gonna stick it over here. This is gonna be under the sheep. I don't know why it's gonna be under the sheep, but who cares. Two more of these cone pieces, and you can already tell that these are gonna be the two sheep don't have two legs, no, four legs. Four legs of the sheep. And we're gonna bring in some flowers. We're gonna be using the kind of new kind of flowers for 2018, the kind of very small kind of flowers. It's hard to actually see the petals even, but anyway, a 2x4 standard base plate on top of the legs, because we're going to be building more of the sheep. We need the white wool, so these kind of, I don't know, base plates for helicopters, something like that. And another one of those 2x4 base plates on top of here. Now we're going to add these kind of inverted roof tiles, I like to call them. You can call them archway pieces, or just kind of upside down slope pieces, whatever you like. And we're going to add a bit of pink inside our sheep. Don't know what this is, because it's supposed to be the stomach or something, because this isn't actually visible on the outside, but stick it over there. That was a 2x2 brick, if you're just listening. And these slope pieces, these 4 long slope pieces, or kind of wave pieces. But anyway, this is gonna be a bit wool. It looks woolly already. That's what I wanted to say. A grabber plate. This is the kind of the blunt end of the grabber, because it's not actually grabbing. And these kind of, I don't know, what do you call these? It doesn't matter what you call them. Have a good look, and then stick it at the back. This is going to be our little tail that sheep have. They're nice little fluffy waggy tails. And now we need a plate with a grabber on the end. This is going to be, I don't know, the collar of a sheep. Do sheep have collars? I don't know. There's a lot of things I don't know today, but what I do know is that we're going to need a spinny plate for the sheep. Oh, hang on a second. First we need a 2x6 base plate over here, and then the spinny plate. This is going to be the neck of our sheep, so our sheep can have a head that spins round and round and round. A 2x3 base plate. And these two bricks, these are 1x2 bricks with 2 holes in them. They're kind of squished together kind of holes, and we're going to stick them back here. This is, yeah, you see that? Good. Now, 2 studs. 2 round studs. These are brown. Now, these are meant to be teeth, but I don't know for certain if sheep have brown teeth. Do sheep have brown teeth? Anyway, the designer of this definitely had some quirks. Now, these awning pieces for the nose of our sheep, and this carbonate slope in black, and there's the head, there's the smooth head of our sheep has got some, I don't know, aerodynamics to it. So now these grey pins with studs on the sides, they're gonna go here. This is gonna help attach our eyes in the first hole of the head. And now we're gonna bring eyes. So this one comes with the closed eyes with the really nice eyelashes. So I suppose this sheep is gonna be asleep all the time. Or maybe it's just closing his eyes in happiness, perhaps. Now, these two axle pins is the blue variety, so they're going to be the stiff ones. And these kind of, I don't know, some kind of points? Axle holes with points on them. So you put the axle part inside the axle hole, and the pin side in the round hole over here. That's going to be one ear, and we'll make another one to go back here, and it's got ears. You can stick them up like that, make it look a bit more alert, or kind of rest its ears behind it. But anyway, we're going to bring our sheep back, well, the sheep body part back, and stick our head on, watch it spin around, and all we have left is flowers. So this kind of leaf piece to hold flowers with a holder at the base of it, so it will fit in one of these new flowers again. And we're gonna add 3 of these lovely little pink flowers. We're just gonna stick them on the spikes of the stems like so, there, and we're gonna put it somewhere around here, so our sheep will be eating them, I suppose. So there we have it. That's our sheep. It is a little different to the other ones because it's like constantly asleep and has brown teeth, a collar. But after all, it is a sheep. Use your imagination for this one. Baaaa, baaaa, baaaa. Anyway, so that's the end of our video. So I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you. And until next time, happy building! Baaaa!